The very current exchanging volume of torrential slide basically is at $134,055,838 in an extremely huge manner. Avax cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost diagram, exhibiting that the genuinely current exchanging volume of torrential slide basically is at $134,055,838, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Avax United States dollar medium-term support for the most part remained at $13.68, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. Torrential slides EMA10 especially shows an exceptionally descending pattern in a genuinely significant manner. 26 June 2023. In this video we will sort of walk you through torrential slide cost examination for now, or for pretty 1 week from now, and in every practical sense, attempt to answer these regularly, certainly clarified some pressing issues. Facts. What sort of is somewhat momentary cost expectation for torrential slide, in a real sense, is Avax a very wise speculation, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. Torrential slide support and obstruction levels and so on, so Avax cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost diagram, exhibiting that the really current exchanging volume of torrential slide truly is at $134,055,838 in an unpretentious manner. In any case, prior to jumping certainly profound into the Avax specialized examination, really let us in every practical sense discuss the genuinely current economic situations in an unobtrusive manner. Market examination over the truly last 24 hours, there especially was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the in every practical sense whole digital currency market to $1,186,659,470,300 in an unpretentious manner. The by and large complete exchanging volume truly remains at $32,396,217,087, which for the most part shows that the kind of all-out exchanging volume explicitly remains at $32,396,217,087 in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin shares 49.86% of the entry market, while Ethereum in a real sense has a predominance of 16.33%, exhibiting how torrential slides EMA10 shows a kind of descending pattern, which generally is genuinely huge, which all things considered, brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $30,491.84 level after a decay of 0.52% in a kind of enormous manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum explicitly has seen a value reduction of 0.7%, coming to $1,893.83 during the past 24 hours, or so they basically thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $239.88 following a value change of 0.47% inside a similar time span, which explicitly shows that torrential slides EMA10, for the most part, shows a by and large descending pattern, certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. XRP, the very local coin of XRP, most certainly is somewhere around 1.1, and as of now exchanging at 49 cents. So torrential slides EMA10 sort of shows a really descending pattern, or so they most certainly thought. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. These occasions explicitly demonstrate that the market truly is going in every practical sense, descending bearing for commonly present moment, which basically is genuinely huge. As of now, a general certainly bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, or so they basically thought. Torrential slide backing and obstruction backing and opposition especially are significant specialized markers used to really distinguish pretty key cost levels, where the pattern can take a different path in a by and large huge manner. Support generally is a level at which purchasers really become certainly more kind of dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which explicitly shows that 26 June 2023. In this video we will explicitly walk you through torrential slide cost examination for now, or for especially 1 week from now, and truly attempt to answer these much of the time, basically clarified some pressing issues. Facts. What basically is by and large momentary cost expectation for torrential slide, most certainly is Avax a wise venture, which for the most part is very huge. Similarly, opposition for the most part is a level at which dealers really move pretty dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting that these occasions certainly demonstrate that the market basically is going in a really descending heading for genuinely present moment. Or so they explicitly thought. Following are the help and opposition levels of torrential slide, Avax, torrential slide execution. The ongoing torrential slide cost for the most part is $13.56, with an exchanging volume of $134,055,838 and the by and large beyond 24 hours, which in a real sense is very critical. At present, Avax explicitly is up by 1% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $4,679,985,772 United States dollars, showing how moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in a very significant way. Torrential slide value examination of Avax cost investigation for 26 June 2023 inside a by and large everyday time span, generally made sense of underneath. So as of now, Avax essentially is up by 1% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $4,679,985,772 United States dollars, showing how moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in a very enormous way. We utilize genuinely relative strength INDEXRSI, moving fundamentally normal combination and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including exceptionally straightforward moving truly normal, SMA, and remarkable moving pretty normal, EMA, to for the most part break down the future development of the torrential slide. So right now, Avax by and large is up by 1% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $4,679,985,772 United States dollars, showing how moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in an unobtrusive way. Avax's Williams percent R marker truly is at 46.057 for the 14-day time span, showing an impartial condition. A exchange, pretty sign especially is in every practical sense conceivable at this reach, which truly shows that torrential slide support and obstruction levels and so on. So Avax cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost outline, exhibiting that the genuinely current exchanging volume of torrential slide for the most part is at $134,055,838, which truly is very huge. The Avax United States dollar moving truly normal combination and difference, MACD, pointer, generally is demonstrating an especially present moment in a real sense, sell essentially signal, as the MACD line truly is moving beneath truly signal line, which really implies fundamentally bears generally are ruling on the lookout, showing how torrential slides EMA10 sort of shows an all things considered descending pattern in an unpretentious way. The coin really is going down.